Welcome. In this video, we'll go over a quick and simple guide on how to mute accounts directly from their profile on X, also known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC with the latest update. This feature is perfect for keeping your timeline focused without completely unfollowing or blocking someone. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your X account. Once you're on your home screen, find the profile of the person you want to mute. You can do this by searching their username in the top search bar or by clicking through from a post you've already seen in your feed. When you reach their profile page, take a moment to look around the updated layout. On the right side of the screen, next to their follow or following button, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. This is the options menu for that account. Click on those 3 dots to open a list of actions you can take. From that drop-down menu, select Mute. X will ask for confirmation before applying the change just to make sure it's what you want. Once you confirm, that account will be muted instantly. This means their posts and replies will no longer appear in your feed, but they can still follow you, view your profile, and interact with your public posts unless you block them. If you ever change your mind, simply go back to their profile, click the 3 dots again, and choose Unmute. It's just as easy to reverse as it is to apply. Muting is a powerful way to clean up your feed, reduce noise, or take a break from certain topics without making a big statement. It's private, quick, and effective. With this new update, the process feels smoother and more direct than ever before. That's how you mute accounts right from their profile on X using the web version on your PC. Try it out today and make your browsing experience more peaceful and personalized.